My name is Ilelami Edevrel at GetBlock, and today we are going to be looking at the risk in smart contracts and how GetBlock is able to solve those problems in Web3. Now, over the last year, we've seen about $17 billion stolen via crypto scan, and we've seen about 1,400% surge in impersonation scan over the years. We've seen about 68% of crypto scan are rug pull. And the problem still persists. We've seen problems like malicious contract drain wallets within seconds of interaction, and this is very common. We've seen how developers make use of the upgradable Spoxy to swap safe code for malicious logic within minutes. And these have led to people losing their assets within seconds and people losing their life savings to it. Then how did GetBlock solve this particular problem? GetBlock introduced a tool called Token Risk API. Token Risk API is a platform that helps you analyze your token and smart contract address. It checks out for 20 plus risk pattern on blockchains including Ethereum, BNB chain, Base, Polygon, Optimism, and many more. It checks out risk for ownership and control risk. It checks out for code and logic risk. It checks out for transaction and approval risk as listed in this slide. Then how can you make use of it? Now let me show you how to make use of Token Risk API within seconds. First, I want you to head over to this particular URL, getblock.io/token risk-API. And then here you click on any of the chain you are working with. You go select, we have a lot of them. So you select on Ethereum, and then here we also have example of contract address that we can also make use of. So I'm going to click on this, and then you click on analysis or you input the smart contracts you want to check. And here you can see that this particular smart contract has two risks. And now let's check what risks do they have. So here you click on, you see, it will show you the code snippet that have this risk. It will tell you the reason. And also you can see it here. This token has a token meeting functionality that can be called only by an external authority and can affect the actual price of the token, diluting the holders. So here, and this is not only good for developers, it's also good for you as a user who get to interact with any of this dApp. So before you interact with that dApp, you can ensure to get their contracts, the smart contract address, come over to Token Risk API, input that particular contract address, and you analyze it to check if this particular dApp is safe to interact with. I hope you learned something today, and don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, with your fellow developers,